Good afternoon. Today I'm back at South Holston. Gonna try to jump a few of these spots around the boat ramp again. See what we can catch. It's not really cold, it's just that the wind's making it cold today. So, see what we can do. There's one. Feels pretty good. Oh yeah. Stay down, buddy. Oh. Huh. Looks like somebody else broke you off. That hook looks really deep. I'm gonna do you a favor though and get some of that line out of the way. That'll be a little bit more comfortable anyway. Yeah, I tried to get that hook, but it looks awfully deep in him. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's about a 16-inch fish. I'll see you later. Oh, slick. What is this? Got something on here. Huh. Another bass. Ooh. He didn't feel like one at first because he was staying down. Ooh. Easy, buddy. Yeah. That's a big one. Phew. You swallowed it. It's gonna take some pliers. Yeah, we finally got it out. Let's get a measurement. Yeah, shoot, that one's close to 18 inches. Oh, I'll see you, buddy. Got a free number 4 bait holder hook. There's one. Feels okay. He's not huge, but he's fighting really good. Easy, bud. I got you. Oh yeah, you got a really pretty pattern to you too. Oh there, buddy, I got you. That thing is stuck in there, ain't it? There it goes. Yeah, really nice pattern. You're gonna be a big one day. We'll see you. Whew. Yeah, that rain moved back in. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the video here for today. Managed to catch a few, you know, between the wind and the rain, and you know, had a good time. If you had a good time with me, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Put out new fishing videos every Sunday. And if you would, click on one of my playlists here. Thanks for watching.